Hi guys, in this video we are going to review this thermal cam. This tool is actually a professional tool and it can be used by anyone basically. So in the tech guy field, it can be used for identifying bad components on the motherboard or phone circuit board or whatever. It will show you which component heat is coming from. And also this can be useful to other persons like mechanic, also persons in a lab who do experiment. This tool can be used across the board to identify where heat is coming from. So if we are searching for a volcano, guys, I'm telling you, you have the best tool right here. So let's review this item, and if you're new to my channel, guys, go right ahead, subscribe. Let's go. Hi guys, in this video we are going to unbox this unit. This is a thermal cam, and actually if you look at it, this one is red and this is the box. So what we're going to do, we are going to quickly open, but I just want to show you the box in terms of the side. Yes, we have some Chinese writing, and also there are some specifications and stuff on the back of the box. When you look at a box like this, you can see that it looks like something expensive is inside, and that's what this is about. We have a thermal cam, professional thermal cam. The model number is UTI86 Pro. So guys, I'm going to open the box. What we have here is a nice covering here with this foam. Guys, this is a 16 gigabytes. We also have booklets. We have the adapter, and this can charge both ways with 110 and also 240 current. We have the USB cable. This one is type C. And we have the thermal cam. Just looking at this box, it's quite protective in terms of the foam that surround the item. You know that your item will get delivered successfully and in one piece. It's covered with this bag. So guys, this is it. So guys, this is the thermal cam. I want you to take a look at the button. We have flashlight as well. And this is the covering for the thermal camera itself. We're going to take that off. We have this compartment here for the charger and also the SD card. So we can go ahead and turn this on for the first time. For us to turn it on, we need to hit the power button right here. And it is currently on. Right? So this will detect anything that we have that have heat. So this can be used for a lot of different purposes, for persons in different field. And I'll be showing you guys how this works in a while. Also, we can put this on a tripod. We have the hole here to screw this on a tripod. So this is quite cool. So guys, this is quite cool. So I am going to show you guys how this works. We are going to put in the memory card at the top. So guys, if you are into repairs of any kind, like circuit board repairs, this can help you to identify short circuit and stuff like that. We are going to plug in the memory card. When you hear that click, that means that it is done properly. So guys, I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to show you how it's done using this matches, right? So if you look, you can see it says that it's high, and also it's saying that it is collaborating there. It's even identifying the spot as well. If you are working on a laptop or a sound system, you're doing diagnostic tests, you're testing for short circuit, something is heating up, a thermal cam is your best bet to identify the heat spot. Into the settings here. You can see all the different settings here. Temperature bar, brightness, format SD card, factory reset. So guys, having a thermal cam can be expensive as well. All depends on the usage in which you will be using it for. It's safe using a thermal cam when it comes to motherboard, and also when it comes to dealing with heat. It will definitely tell you the exact temperature. It will also identify where the heat is coming from. So guys, I just want to say that it's a useful tool to have, and a quite professional one. There are other thermal cameras on the market as well, so if it's something that you're interested in, you know, you can get other thermal cameras that are smaller and also cheaper as well. So guys, for this video I reviewed this particular one just to show you what it is consist of. This one is the UTI89 Pro, which is the professional thermal imager. So guys, as I stated earlier, this box is just lovely. I like the entire package. I also admire the item itself. So if you're into that type of thing, guys, this is a useful tool to have. So yeah, so guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and show some love, and also drop a like on this video, and also comment in the comment section below. Bye bye.